Yes friends, welcome once again to my channel, and today we will learn that who is the real culprit, that is triggerer of riots in any country. Okay, if you want to know that who is the real culprit or triggerer of riots in any country, then you must look at which community is in majority. So in 99% of the cases, majority community is the triggerer of riots in 99% of the cases, and only in 1% of the cases minority community is the triggerer of riots. Okay, now let us understand this with the help of an example. Suppose we have any constituency in India. Okay, let us suppose we have Kashmir. Okay, suppose we have Kashmir, then you know this very well that Muslims are in majority in Kashmir. Okay, Muslims are in majority in Kashmir. So 99% of the times, okay, 99% of the times Muslims will trigger a riot. Okay, 99% of the times Muslims will trigger a riot. Trigger a riot means दंगा शुरू करेंगे. शुरू वही मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी 99% केसेस में दंगा शुरू करती है. दैट्स व्हाट आई मीन. Okay, 99 in 99% of the cases, the majority community is the culprit. Okay, it starts riots first and then it culminates into the two groups fighting. Okay, so who is the triggerer? In Kashmir, 99% of the times Muslims are triggerers of riots, and Hindus are triggerers of riots 1% of the times. Okay, 1% of the times. If we talk about the rest of India, okay, rest of India, if we talk about rest of India, except Goa and Nagaland. Okay, no, not except Goa and Nagaland, we can talk about rest of India only. Okay, so in rest of the India, Hindus are 99% of the time triggerer of riots. Okay, 99% of times Hindus are guilty of triggering a riot, and only 1% of the times, okay, only 1% of times Muslims are triggerer of the riots. So in this way you should view the entire picture. Okay, for example, in France there were riots recently. So in France also the majority community was responsible for triggering the riots. Okay, in France also, and everywhere in the world, this is true. Okay, in the pre-partition India, in pre-partition India, in pre-partition India, it was dependent on constituencies. Okay, even now it depends on constituencies. So constituencies where Hindus are in majority, Hindus are in majority, in those constituencies 99% of the times they will trigger a riot. Okay, and only 1% of the times Muslims will trigger a riot. Okay, and the constituencies where the opposite is true, for example, during our partition, the partition of our country into India and Pakistan, during those days there were lot of communal riots that were taking place. Okay, so the constituencies where Muslims were in majority, 99% of the times they were the ones who triggered a riot, and only 1% of the times Hindus triggered a riot. Okay, this is true in any country. This is true in any country. Okay, so this is how you should view the world. Instead of this community versus that community, instead of looking like that, you must view in terms of which community is in the majority. The community which is in majority, it is guilty of triggering the riot 99% of the cases, I am saying. Okay, in 99% of the cases, and only 1% of the cases are there in which minority community is responsible for triggering the riot. Okay, why is it so? Why is it so? Because the minority community, okay, because the minority community lives under fear. Okay, it lives under fear, under fear of being, what we can say, genocided. by majority mob. Okay, so the minority community lives under the fear of being genocided by the majority mob. That's why usually, okay, that's why usually do not, usually I am saying, okay, usually do not trigger riots. Okay, so this is the truth. Okay, so that's how you should view any news channel. Whenever you watch any news channel, whether it is biased or not, you can certainly judge by looking at this fact. Okay, so all the TV news channels are clearly biased because they are lapdog media, Godi media. Okay, so they will only take favor of the Hindus always. So they are a lapdog media of the government. Okay, so you should quit watching News 18, Aaj Tak, Z News. Not even a single news channel on the TV is left. Not even a single news channel on the TV is left. Okay, all are compromised. All the news channels on TV are compromised. I am telling you the truth. Okay, the print media is also not very good. Okay, in the print media, which the Telegraph. Okay, the Telegraph is the only English newspaper which is the Telegraph, not Telegram, the Telegraph. Okay, the Telegraph is the only English news print English news. Okay, so only the Telegraph has remained. Okay, it is honest journalism. It is honest journalism. And again, you can, if you want to look at honest journalism, then NewsClick is there, The Wire is there. Okay, NewsClick is there, The Wire is there. Okay, all these are honest journalism channels. Okay, so that's all for today. I wanted to tell you this only because the news channels are literally littering. They are filling up garbage. Okay, news channels are filling up garbage in the minds of people. Okay, so that's why I made this particular video. Thank you very much.